Hi, welcome to SkinAct's tutorial on how to replace a massage bed motor. This video applies to the Cleo and Sage models. Before we begin, we recommend acquiring these tools to use in order to better replace the motor. Let's get started. The motors are situated underneath the table. For easier access to the motor, lay the table on its side or on a platform that is elevated. Some older models have a case with which the motors are inside. The footrest and headrest motors are already accessible. Older models also have a flat panel. Newer ones do not. Remove the case by taking off the covers to the screws using a flathead. Using a drill, remove the screws and set aside for later. Remove the case. The primary motor will have a control box attached to it. Remove the box to then access the motor. Unplug the old motors from the box. Now unscrew the pins at the joints of the motor. Older models use a different pin to newer ones. Newer ones use a split pin. With the pins removed, the motor can now be taken out and replaced with a new one. Now work backwards. Attach the replacements with the pins and reattach the control box. Plug in the motor to the box. With everything in place, put the motor case back on using the screws and then the plastic covers. After that, you're all done. Thanks for watching.